How can I get rid of my hiccups? Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, but you can stop them with a few simple tricks. Try holding your breath for 10 to 15 seconds to reset your diaphragm. Drinking a glass of cold water can also help calm the nerves triggering the hiccups. Another method, breathe slowly into a paper bag to increase carbon dioxide levels. And if you need a quick fix, swallowing a spoonful of sugar can stimulate the throat and stop hiccups. If they last more than 48 hours, check with a doctor. Try these out and say goodbye to hiccups. Make sure you like and subscribe for more knowledge.